report is all about understanding carbon sequestration and role of plantation forests in carbon sequestration. What is carbon sequestration? Carbon sequestration is the process of capturing and storing atmospheric carbon dioxide. It is one method of reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere with the goal of reducing global climate change. The USG is conducting assessments on two major types of carbon sequestration, the geological and biological. So, carbon sequestration and the importance of role in climate change mitigations. The forests are critical ecosystems that provide habitats for many of the planet's species, support livelihood for nearly 1 billion people. Forests critical ecosystem providing habitat for most of the planet's species and livelihood for nearly 1 billion people. Healthy forests play a crucial role in mitigating climate change by acting as carbon sinks, absorbing billions of metric tons of carbon dioxide annually. So, objectives: define carbon sequestration and its significance in mitigating climate change to assess the effectiveness of plantation forests as a carbon sequestration strategy compared to other methods. So, carbon sequestration explain how it helps combat climate change and assess plantation forests as a strategy for carbon sequestration, comparing them with other methods and identify challenges with using plantations, forests, including land use change and impact of biodiversity. So, the process of carbon sequestration is absorption of atmospheric carbon dioxide by trees and vegetation. Trees and plants take in carbon dioxide by trees and vegetation. So, trees and plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. This gas enters the leaves through small pores called stomata. Plants use this CO2 along with sunlight and water to produce energy and grow. So, photosynthesis is the main process. Trees and plants take in carbon dioxide from air, and carbon dioxide enters through small pores in leaves called stomata. And plants use carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water to create energy and grow. And it absorbs pollution or our environment. So, geologic geologic sequestration is the dioxide is captured by sources like power plants. It is composed into liquid form, then it's injected into underground reservoirs such as depleted oil and gas fields, leaks, saline aquifers, and mineral wells, salt and sand.